Hey guys, so the Blackview Hero 10, Blackview's first foldable device, has showed up on AliExpress, and currently the price on AliExpress is about $999, but that's not its original price. I think that's just a placeholder price. According to the details, the world premiere of this device will take place from the 28th of May to the 24th. So that's when we'll know the official retail price of the Blackview Hero 10. So the price on AliExpress currently, it's not its original price, so don't let that bother you, okay? The device cannot be sold for $1,000. It's just impossible. It's going to be very cheap, and it might be the cheapest foldable phone in the entire world. Anyway, the Blackview Hero 10, as we know, is a really nice foldable device, and of course it has a circular rear display that is highly customizable, and thanks to the rear view you could be able to take selfies with the phone's main 108MP camera, while the rear view would serve as a viewfinder. So it's a very nice phone, guys. The device features a dual rear camera setup. I mentioned earlier that the main camera is 108MP, which is nice, and the secondary camera is an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 32MP. This phone is powered by the Helio G99, which is not bad, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The device also is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, and it supports 45 watts fast charging. It comes in two colorways, including Sakura Purple and Eclipse Black. The phone has a 6.9-inch 2.5K AMOLED display with a peak brightness of about 1300 nits. This means that the display is bright enough to be used under direct sunlight. Blackview also promised to give this device 3 years of OTA updates. I don't know if it's going to be, Android upgrades or maybe just security updates, but that's what Blackview promised. The device also features what Blackview calls a dynamic live view, which is similar to the iPhone 14 Pro's dynamic island feature. And lastly, the phone ships with Blackview's custom skin, the DocOS 4.0, based on Android 13. So these are just some of the top features of the Blackview Hero 10. Once I get more details about this device, I'll let you guys know, especially regarding its price. Once I get the official retail price of the phone, I'll let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.